Today we re-tackling a topic that most people don't think about until it is too late. Listeria infection, also called listeriosis. Listeria is a foodborne bacteria that can contaminate a wide range of foods, even those stored in your refrigerator. Unlike other foodborne illnesses, listeria can take days or even weeks to show symptoms, making it a silent but serious threat. By the end of this video, you'll understand what foods to watch out for, how listeria affects the body, who's most at risk, and how to protect yourself and your family. Let's get started. 1. What is listeria? Listeria is a type of bacteria called Listeria monocytogenes that can contaminate food. It's particularly dangerous because it can survive and even grow at refrigeration temperatures, unlike many other bacteria. This means that even chilled foods that you think are safe could carry listeria. Common sources include soft cheeses like brie, camembert, feta, and blue cheese, especially if made from unpasteurized milk. Deli meats and hot dogs, particularly when not reheated before eating. Unpasteurized milk and dairy products. Raw sprouts and some ready-to-eat foods like prepackaged salads and smoked seafood. Think of listeria like a stealthy intruder in your kitchen. It doesn't make your food look, smell, or taste bad, but it can quietly multiply and cause serious illness if ingested. 2. How does listeria infect the body? Once listeria is ingested, it can move from the digestive system into the bloodstream and even invade organs like the brain or placenta. The bacteria can cause listeriosis, a serious infection that can manifest days to weeks after exposure. Symptoms in healthy adults may include fever and muscle aches, nausea or diarrhea, headache and fatigue. Severe cases can lead to meningitis, infection of the brain and spinal cord, septicemia, blood infection, complications in pregnancy, including miscarriage, premature birth, or infection in newborns. Think of listeria as a silent invader. It can hide in your body for days, spreading quietly before showing symptoms, which is why it's so dangerous. 3. Who is most at risk? While anyone can get listeria, certain groups are much more vulnerable. Pregnant women, listeria can cross the placenta, potentially harming the baby. Newborns, their immune systems are not fully developed. Older adults, especially over 65, as immune function declines. People with weakened immune systems, such as those undergoing chemotherapy, taking immunosuppressive medications, or living with chronic illnesses like diabetes. For these high-risk groups, even a small exposure can lead to serious complications. Pregnant women, in particular, are 10 times more likely to get listeria compared to the general population. 4. How to prevent listeria infection. Preventing listeria is all about safe food handling and smart choices. Here are some key strategies. Cook food thoroughly, heat deli meats, hot dogs, and leftovers to steaming hot before eating. Avoid eating raw or undercooked seafood. Avoid high-risk foods if vulnerable. Skip unpasteurized milk and soft cheeses. Wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly. Even prepackaged produce should be rinsed under running water. Consider peeling when possible to reduce contamination risk. Keep your fridge clean and cold. Listeria can grow at low temperatures, so keep the fridge below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. Prevent cross-contamination. Keep raw meats separate from ready-to-eat foods. Use clean utensils and cutting boards for different types of foods. Stay informed about recalls. Listeria outbreaks often lead to recalls of contaminated products. Check alerts from the CDC or FDA. Think of these steps like fortifying a castle. Each measure adds a layer of protection, keeping the intruder, listeria, out of your body. 5. When to seek medical attention. If you experience symptoms after consuming potentially contaminated food, especially if you're in a high-risk group, seek medical attention immediately. Red flags include persistent fever or muscle aches, severe nausea or diarrhea, headache, stiff neck or confusion, pregnant women noticing reduced fetal movement or unusual symptoms. Early treatment with antibiotics is critical, especially for high-risk individuals. 6. Listeria outbreaks. Real-life examples. Listeria outbreaks happen more often than you think. For example, In recent years, prepackaged salads, soft cheeses, and deli meats have been linked to outbreaks. Some outbreaks have led to hospitalizations and deaths, particularly among older adults and pregnant women. These cases highlight the importance of vigilance and careful food handling at home. Listeria may be sneaky and slow-acting, but with awareness and proper food safety, you can protect yourself and your family. Remember, cook food thoroughly, avoid high-risk foods if you're vulnerable, wash fruits and vegetables, keep your fridge clean and cold. Stay informed about food recalls. Being proactive about food safety is your best defense against this hidden threat. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and food safety insights. Share this video with family and friends, especially pregnant women, older adults, or immunocompromised individuals, because Listeria is more common than many realize, and prevention can save lives.